Before you buy, watch this. Here's what nobody tells you about this product. Are you tired of the same old boring coffee routine? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the 5-cup Siphon coffee pot by MRJYK. This thing is a beast, and I mean that in the best possible way. It's like a work of art that brews amazing coffee. The exquisite shape of this Siphon coffee maker is the first thing you'll notice. With its smooth walnut handle curves and classic simple look, it's sure to add some elegance to your kitchen decor. But don't let its good looks fool you. This coffee pot is also incredibly easy to use. The silicone base keeps it stable and tip resistant, and it's fully detachable for easy cleaning and storage. When you're brewing, you can hear the gentle gurgling of the coffee as it's being made, and the aroma that fills the air is just incredible. The high-quality glass is lead-free, eco-friendly, and heat-resistant up to 800 degrees Celsius, so you can watch the brewing process safely, and the crystal-clear container lets you see the coffee as it's being made. This Siphon coffee machine is also very popular among coffee lovers, with many customers purchasing and reviewing it, and for good reason. It's a great way to make delicious coffee in minutes, perfect for sharing with friends and family. The result is a delicate, not too bitter, and satisfying cup of coffee that's just perfect for any time of day. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just looking to try something new, I highly recommend giving the 5-cup Siphon coffee pot by MRJYK a try. It's a great addition to any kitchen, and it's sure to take your coffee game to the next level. If this helped, like and the link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.